Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and drivers, GTX 900 series or newer and driver 531, 41 or later. Once done, download the Nvidia Broadcast beta or a community patch that enables GTX support and run the installer as administrator so files place correctly. Make sure to quit all audio and webcam apps to avoid device conflicts. Next, open Nvidia Control Panel and set preferred GPU for apps. This ensures broadcast hooks into the GPU. This sequence avoids installation errors and readies your system. You now configure devices inside Nvidia Broadcast. Pick your real microphone and webcam, then assign the app to output a virtual microphone and virtual camera. Once assigned, set noise removal strength to a level that removes artifacts without garbling your voice, and enable room echo removal only if you notice reverb. For video, choose background blur, replace, or remove and tweak blur strength and edge sensitivity. Make sure to set Windows and your streaming app to use the broadcast virtual devices. This routes processed audio and video through the pipeline. You finish by validating the setup in your streaming or meeting software. Choose the Nvidia Broadcast virtual camera and mic, then run a short recording to check sync and CPU/GPU load. If your GTX struggles, lower camera resolution, reduce effect strength, or disable video effects to keep audio running smoothly. If broadcast fails to launch or crashes, reinstall the latest Nvidia driver, run the app as administrator, and inspect log files for device conflicts. One key tip: disable exclusive mode in sound device properties when you see dropouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.